captured my soul. Wildwood lights shining like stars in the night. Riding by the ocean, everything felt right. The boardwalk was dancing, the summer breeze sang. The coaster bells were ringing with a joyful refrain. I held my sweetheart as the wheels climbed high, laughing with the seagulls under the open sky. Oh, Wildwood Coaster, take me away, spinning through sunshine on a golden day. Round and round, hear the ocean roar. I'll chase that feeling forevermore. Wildwood Coaster, my heart knows the way back to the beach where the memories stay. When the years roll by and the seasons change, I'll still hear that music calling my name. A little bit of magic, a little sea breeze, a coaster by the beach brings me back to Piers. Down by the shoreline where the bright waves roll, I found a little coaster that captured my soul.
If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Consider becoming a member for more benefits. You can also show support by buying me a coffee. Thanks for watching.
The summer breeze sang, the coaster